Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox July's Sugar Box. I know it's my mistake, they haven't shipped their order late. It arrived me pretty early in like first or second week of July, but I was caught up with so many things. If you don't know, you can watch my previous vlogs. In there you can get an idea what actually was going on, but yeah, that's a lot of blabbering. I think we should just start with the unboxing. So yeah, I'm going to unbox July Sugar Box. So if you are interested in knowing what will we have in July Sugar Box, then please keep on watching. So this time we had a very fancy packaging, okay, the black box with the ribbon and everything. I already opened it, that's why I couldn't fix it again. So it's just looks like this, but they definitely made it look very prettier. So yeah, let's open this now. So I'm just going to untie the ribbon. I think it's done, yeah. And let's open the box, and this is how the box looks like. It says sent with love, and they have mentioned their Insta, Facebook and Twitter handles, so you can check that out later. Now we have all the products right here, so we are going to go one by one in here. So the first thing I see here is a V7 Deep Hydration, making skin youth light, and it has 7 vitamins essence, and the apple is drawn over here, so I'm just assuming that it must be with apple variant. And other than that, I cannot really read anything because it's in Japanese or Korean, I don't know which language is that. So it's just a normal sheet mask, and yeah, I'm very happy to receive this one because we are always up for skincare, right? And this is a great thing to have. Like sheet masks are a go-to thing. So that was the first thing. Now the second thing, oh, we also have a card. It says thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope this package makes yours. We would love for you to come back and shop with us. Please use code blah blah to get 20% off. So we have a 20% off coupon code as well, so that's there. Now the next thing I see here is actually a scarf, and I think I have received the same thing in previous box, so that's a biggest disappointment. Like even the color is same. I think I received the same red color in my first sugar box. Yeah, the December ka sugar box had the same scarf, and I'm not going to open this because it will be a hassle to put this back like this. So it's just a normal cotton scarf. I know the material and everything is good, but at least color alag hota to अच्छा होता, but ठीक है चलो. This is the second thing in this month's bag. Now the third thing I see here is a cute little scrunchie, and it's in this multicolor, not multi actually, this is ombre kind of a color. It has this neon color, then pink, and then we have a vibrant orange color. So yeah, that's the next thing. Very useful thing, like we can never have enough scrunchies, right? So that's the next thing, and I think we are only left with 2 things. And for the treat they sent this shower punk types candy, and guys, it was so yummy. I couldn't stop myself. I opened it, I emptied the entire thing. I will try to put the picture. I think I did click the picture while I was eating that, so we can put the picture over here. I am very looking forward to get the entire pack of this. I looked it up on Amazon as well because the candy was so damn delicious. Oh my god, it's mouth watering literally. So that candy I've already eaten, so I don't have this with me right now, but I will put the picture over here. Now the second last thing came in this box and all bubble wrapped, so let's open this and see what we have in this thing. Okay, oh, it looks amazing. It looks very cute. Oh, I think I'll have to unwrap the cap as well. Okay, so this is the second last thing, not actually second last, this is a third last thing in the sugar box this time. And oh my god, how cute is this? It has this crown over here and a flaming over here. It's in pink and white color. Oh my god, it's definitely a breakable thing, like it's a ceramic cup. But oh my god, look at that. It matches my top a lot today. And it also comes with a spoon, like a stirrer. Actually, it's not actually a spoon, but you can just stir things with this. and it has this hole over here, so you can just keep the spoon like that if you wish to. So yeah, that's that. Oh my god, the size is also really huge, so you can, I think it's definitely more than 400 ml. I think, yeah, this would be 400 ml for sure. So yeah, this is a third last thing in this month's sugar box. Now the second last thing actually is this one, this beautiful clip which has this tiny diamond thingy over here, like not exactly diamond, but dimension is like diamond only. And this is how the back looks like, and you can easily clip it over here or somewhere you wish to. Let's try to clip it on. Yeah, see how cute that looks. I think I'm gonna keep it like that only. Now that I have done keratin in my hair, I can easily use clips like these. So I love this clip. See how cute that looks, right? So yeah, that's that. Now the last but not the least for sure is this bag actually, which comes with a dust bag, which is a great thing because I love to store my bags in dust bags only. And you're not ready for this one, okay? Please just be ready for this one now. So this is the cutest little bag we have received in this month's bag, sugar box. And yeah, this is actually a very different material, and it's semi-transparent, and it also comes with a chain or a sling if you wish to call it. Now you can use this like this as well, or you can just wait. I messed it up actually. Yeah, and you can do this and you will have a longer sling as well. And this is how the bag looks like. Oh my god, I don't know how to explain this material, like rubber kind of a thing, which is a waterproof for sure. And it has this compartment over here. It also has this compartment, but it's not accessible. I don't know if it's a malfunction or what, but it's not opening. It's stuck to the bag. So yeah, that's there. Now I'm very happy to receive this bag. Oh my god, it's gonna look like, it's very trendy as well, right? You have seen such kind of bags all around the internet. It smells a little bad, I don't know, but yeah, that's there. I'm happy with this bag, and the color is also very good and very unique. This ombre thing is going on over here, blue to pink. So yeah, that's there. I'm so happy. Oh my god, thank you so much Sugar Box for thinking of sending such cute thing in the sugar box. And yeah, you can just go out with this one. Yeah, I'm in love with this one. Like, this is definitely a star product for me. And obviously a cup and a mug. Yeah, that's there. So I guess that's all for this month's bag. I'm very excited to receive my this month's bag, which should be here in a week, I guess, because it's already 11th today and we haven't received this month's sugar box. So I think they will ship this pretty soon now. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You can also consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.